What's up, Aggies? Ready to dive into summer sessions? Here's a quick guide on how to search and register for classes. First, you'll want to find Schedule Builder, which you can easily do by hopping onto our website, heading over to the Courses tab, and scrolling down a little bit. Once there, you should see the Schedule Builder button. Click on it to get started. Note that there is also an easy-to-follow steps guide you can look at in this section. Once you click on the Schedule Builder button, it will redirect you to the page itself, although you might have to log in first. Once you have logged in, this is the first page you will see, and you are going to want to click on the drop-down menu and select the session you're planning to attend, but for now, we'll click on the first one. Now you're on the main page. Look for the Add Search Courses button at the top of the page and click on it. From there, you can search for your desired course in various ways, by CRN, subject, instructor's last name, a keyword, or by days of the week, and times. Once you've applied any searching filters, click on Search, and a list of courses with those specifics will show up. After you've found a class that fits your schedule and interests, hit Save. Your saved classes will appear on your home page under your schedule. The classes you save will live in this section and can be left there until you are ready to register. Happy class hunting, Aggies!